Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your trusted source for the latest in tech. Before we unfold today's breaking news, make sure to tap that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the latest updates on smartphones, gadgets, and future tech. Samsung just dropped a teaser that's turning heads and screens. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is officially on the horizon and Samsung is calling it an ultra experience in foldable innovation. Let's talk about what that could mean. Expected launch. All signs point to a July 2025, most likely during Samsung annual Galaxy Impact event. Expected features: slimmer, lighter hinge design, larger 8.2 inner AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, enhanced like Gorilla Glass Victus 3 or better, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset, Android 16 with One UI 8, upgraded under-display camera, possible 200 megapixel main sensor, S-Pen Sport integration. We might even see a full Galaxy AI integration built directly into a Fold 7, something Samsung has been pushing hard in 2025. Samsung's language here is deliberate. Ultra experience may not just mean specs, it could also point to exclusive AI features, better multitasking tools, deeper S-Pen integration, or even support for desktop-grade productivity via DeX. If you thought foldables were just a gimmick, the Fold 7 is here to flip that narrative. This is not just about bending glass, it's about bending expectations. Until the official reveal, we are watching every Samsung move like hawks. The Fold 7 could be the most powerful and foldable phone ever if it lives up to the Ultra name. Are you excited for the Fold 7? Would you consider switching to a foldable in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a fellow techs, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.